Engagement begins with an invitation. We're inviting students into the life of the mind. We're inviting students into being scholars. We're inviting students into beginning of what it means to be an engineer. And I think this invitation has to be deeply personal.
So grateful that you chose the University of Colorado. Thank you.
But I'm just curious, what do you think is the symptoms of an engaged student?
Making unexpected connections.
Resilience, able to take some knocks and still are part of it.
They also support their peers. They know it's hard, but they also enjoy it.
This sense of, oh, I went from not knowing something to now knowing something, and then being able to apply it.
Fully immersing themselves in the intellectual process to really transform themselves to become something more